Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to fix login issues with your Substack writer account. Following these steps will help you regain access quickly and securely so you can continue managing your newsletter and content. Step 1. Go to the Substack login page. Open your browser and visit substack.com/sign-in. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Enter your email address. Type the email associated with your Substack writer account and click Send Magic Link. Substack uses magic links to simplify secure logins. Step 3. Check your email. Open the email from Substack and click the magic link to log in. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Step 4. Reset password if needed. If you prefer a password login or are having trouble with the magic link, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 5. Clear browser cache or try logging in from a different browser or device. For more quick and helpful Substack tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.